Hello dear traders, let us review major economic events of the past week. On Monday, the US stocks were growing for fifth day in a row. The dollar was strengthening with US dollar index, a measure of dollar strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, rising 0.3%. S&P 500 added 1.8% as the growing oil prices supported the energy and biotechnology companies. The negative statistics on labor market released on Friday bolstered investors' confidence that the Federal Reserve will not hike the rates this year. On Tuesday, the European stocks market extended gains. Stoxx Europe 600 index had been growing for 3 days and added 0.6% on weak labor market report released on Friday. The German DAX 30 was up 0.9% despite the weak factory orders report, indicating the fall of manufacturing orders in Germany by 1.8% in August. On Wednesday, the Nikkei index lost 1% as investors booked profits after 6-session winning streak and market sentiment was hurt by weak machinery orders data. On Thursday, Brent crude oil price was set for the biggest weekly rise of 12% since March 2009, reaching $53.8. Gold rose to a 3-week high, supported by the release of Fed minutes the previous day, showing policymakers were waiting for additional signals the US economy was ready for the rates hike. On Friday, the Nikkei index rose a bit less than other stock indices due to the weak report from fast retailing company. Its stock slumped by almost 10%, pulling down the whole sector. The oil price increased as the number of active oil rigs in US contracted last week for the 6th week in a row, totaling 605. The Goldman Sachs Bank forecasts the US oil production will contract in the second half of 2015 by 255,000 barrels a day compared to 9.3 million barrels a day in June. This week, we recommend paying attention to the trade balance in China, which will be released on Tuesday, the US Consumer Price Index to be released on Thursday, and the speech of Bank of Japan President on Friday. The fundamental policy background of the Asian region is shaped by Bank of Japan policy and statistics from China. Both factors have a significant influence on indices and currencies and may alter the Fed decision on rate hike. The Asian region maintains the global economic growth and appears to be the closest US trade partner. This was all for the week. We wish you profitable trades and see you next week.